Hi everyone, my name is Ben Jones. I'm an analyst at Dorsey, Wright and Associates, and it's late Friday evening here in Richmond, Virginia. We're bracing ourselves for Hurricane Irene, which is quickly approaching, and it's about to dump a lot of rain on Richmond as well as heavy winds. So hopefully we'll be able to make it through the weekend, and hopefully we'll still have power by Monday. But we'll see. It's always exciting and definitely scary for those that hate those type of thunderstorms and hurricanes. But it certainly has been kind of a hurricane-like market in India right now. We have definitely seen a lot of volatility, selling pressure, driving those prices lower. Just to look at the CNX Nifty, we see that it continues to break through support. And with the most recent action on that 50 rupee chart, it ended up breaking another double bottom sell signal, taking it below its May 2010 lows. That's definitely something to be concerned. So we are seeing selling pressure drive it lower and taking it to extreme oversold territory right now. And so for the short-term guys, there's going to be some opportunities right now in terms of finding and identifying some buying opportunities, some short-term trades. And there are a few out there, and these are some stocks that have managed to maintain positive trends and positive relative strength against the overall market, even with this selling pressure that we have seen. One stock that comes to mind is Baja Auto Limited. In fact, this recently broke a bullish triangle buy signal. It's also a 5 for 5er, which means it's outperforming the market, outperforming its sector, and it's trading in a positive trend. Another one, Asian Paints Limited. This is another stock that has held up rather well against the market, and it's still trading a positive trend. We just saw it reverse up, confirm a level of support. That's Asian Paints Limited. Another one, Hero Honda Motors. 5 for 5er positive trend. It's weekly momentum just turned positive. And then Jubilant Food Works Limited. These are 4 or 5 stocks that look strong and actionable at this time. Although the weight of the evidence is negative for the Indian market right now, there are still some stocks that you may consider, at least for short-term plays right now. And if you're looking for some short ideas, given the weakness that we've seen, you can look at Cinemax India Limited, negative trend, 0 for 5er. Short it there. And Ansall Housing and Construction Limited. One reason why I like this stock as a short, because it just rallied up to a level of resistance. So it's going to be there's a brick wall that it has to get through, and it looks like it's going to have a difficult time. You can short it there. And then Almonds Global Securities Limited. This thing has been trading in a negative trend for almost a year now. It's a 1 for 5er. It possesses very little relative strength at this time. So those are some ideas. Predominantly you want to look at those short selling opportunities for the time being. If you can find a stock that is held up against the market, you might want to consider it because demand is still pushing some of those stocks higher. But again, defensive right now in the Indian market for the time being, just because the major indicators have flipped negative, and we are beginning to continue to see more new net sell signals across the market, and especially on the chart of the Nifty. So pay attention, monitor your indicators. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on stockeasy.com. And that's all for this week, and hopefully we'll be able to hopefully we're still in Richmond and have power to talk to you next week. So I'll talk to you guys later.